Hi, I am Lakshay from DataHub. Cortex agents have changed how a lot of teams query Snowflake. Point them at your tables, ask a question in plain English, get back a real answer. What I want to show you today is how to give them access to your metadata too. The business definitions, the data quality signals, the lineage, all the context that lives around your data. When the agent can reach into both, its answers get a lot richer. So I am going to wire DataHub into a Cortex agent, then ask it some questions where you will see it pulling from both sides. Let's get into it. We are working with the fiction retail dataset. It has 10 tables, about 150,000 orders, all sitting in Snowflake. And this is the Cortex agent we will be using wired up to DataHub. You can see DataHub tools registered on it. This is how the agent reaches metadata at runtime. We will come back to these in a minute. But before we ask it anything, let me show you what is on the DataHub side. This is DataHub. I have already ingested our fiction retail data in here. Let me show you around. Here is the orders table. DataHub enriches it with the business context your team needs, the schema, all the columns and their types. And you can see the team that owns this table on the right. Where the data came from. Kaggle loaded into Snowflake. Data quality checks running against it, and you can already see there is a freshness check failing here. And the business glossary definitions your data team wrote, like order status here, with the life cycle states this table actually uses. All of this is what we are about to give the Cortex agent access to. Wiring this up is one CLI command. You point it at your DataHub instance, point it at your Snowflake account, give your agent a name, and it generates the SQL to set everything up inside Snowflake. 5 SQL files, network plumbing, the UDFs that wrap DataHub tools, the SQL executor, and the Cortex agent itself. Run them in order in Snowsite and you get this. After that command runs, the agent has DataHub tools wired in automatically. Here is what is there. Get entities pulls detailed information about a dataset, schema tags, owners, everything DataHub knows about that table. Get lineage, upstream or downstream lineage for entities or columns. Get dataset assertions, data quality checks and their latest pass or fail status. Plus more, search, document lookup, schema fields, and tools for writing metadata back to DataHub, 22 in total. And the CLI sets up the agent instructions too, telling it to reach for DataHub first when answering questions about business definitions, lineage, or data quality. That is what makes the agent use the right tool without you having to prompt it manually. Let us see what the agent does with all this. First question. Say you are new on the team. You are poking around the orders data and you keep seeing the status back ordered. You want to know what it actually means at this company. The agent is deciding which tools to call. And watch this. It has already found it. The glossary term attached to the orders table. That is DataHub doing its job. Right there, verbatim, inventory unavailable. Customer notified, auto refund at day 30. Those are the exact operational rules your team wrote in DataHub. And notice it cites the source right in the answer, per the DataHub glossary term order status. Anyone reading this can trace it back to where the definition lives. If you are onboarding any new analyst, this is the kind of answer they need on day one. Not a guess, the exact operational meaning. Same conversation. Now you want to know if this data is actually reliable before you build anything on top of it. This time, the agent is reaching into the assertions DataHub runs against the orders table. The daily freshness check is failing. The pipeline behind orders has stalled. And look at what it flags. Critical for downstream financial reporting and customer facing dashboards. So the agent knows the stakes, not just the status. And it names the owner, data platform team. So it is not just reporting the failure, it is telling you who to call. That is Data Hub adding the operational context. What the data team has checked, not just what the data looks like. One more. When something looks off, the next question is always where did this data come from? Now the agent is reading the lineage data hub tracks. And there is the source, Kaggle, loaded via copy into straight into Snowflake. One hop, no intermediate layers. Provider license load method. Everything you need to vouch for where a number came from. For your team, the same view would surface whatever is upstream. Your databases, your orchestrators, your ingestion pipelines, the integration shape is the same. Quick recap. Same Cortex agent, same Snowflake Intelligence interface. What changed is the agent can now reach into DataHub's metadata as it answers. Three things you saw: a business term from the glossary, a data quality check from the assertions, and the upstream source from lineage. Each one grounded in what DataHub knows about your data. A couple of things before I wrap. Everything I showed runs on DataHub open source. It's free to self-host. There is also native MCP integration with Cortex agents on DataHub Cloud. If you build something with this, we had love to see it. And if you want to bring this kind of context to your own Cortex agent, the DataHub and Snowflake integration is documented and ready to use. Thanks for watching. Have fun with your Cortex agents.